I felt like we kind of just threw it together, but
Well, we did. It's America.
Whatever he thinks.
hey, maybe he'll like us so much he'll up our grades.
Seriously.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah, I could use that.
Always use that. Okay. What week are we in? 18?
Yeah,
Yeah.
lesson 18, which is crazy because there's only 24 lessons.
Oh, sweet.
Holy cow.
Lesson 18.
I think next week we only have one lesson though because of 4th of July.
That's good. I think I'll be camping Thursday anyways, so.
I'll be camping Friday.
I'll be camping none of the days.
But my brother gets home on the 4th from his mission, so yeah, probably we'll be a little bit busy that week.
Yeah, no, we'll be good. Anything we can meet Monday of next week. Well, we can discuss that Thursday.
Yeah.
Ahead of us. Okay, so I got my quiz all pulled up. I'm ready to go.
Me
Same.
too. Okay, cool.
20 flipping questions.
Ew.
I saw that too.
Okay, for the next 100 questions, blah, 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 blah. Out of 70 females, 52 could taste PTC. Out of 59 males in the sample, 42. So let P1 be the proportion of females in the population who can taste the PTC, and let P2 be the portion of males in the population who can taste it. The research question for this study given here is proportion of females, whatever. Okay. Use the data in the table to find P1.
Yeah, I have no idea what PTC is.
I don't either. Is it just 52 people that can taste it?
Wait, okay.
It doesn't have a little carrot thing, but...
The proportion of females who can taste PTC is different from the proportion of males who can taste PTC. I have to find P1. No,
Hopefully that doesn't make her sick.
Load. Oh, it's a chemical and it's hereditary.
Interesting.
I think it's...
Okay, so to find the P, the caret P, we go X1 over N1, right?
Oh. For some reason, I was just thinking it was 52.
Yeah, so I'm like looking at the chapter. P1 is X1 over N1. So X1. My computer always gets so hot. Okay. So X1 would be.
X1 is 52.
Oh, yeah. Right? I'm just trying to look at the chapter because I have one really similar. It'd be like 52 over 70.
So
0.743.
742 743.
Yeah. I think, because if I'm looking at under like just number 2.1 and it's step 3, so P1 is X1 over N1, and then I was like, well, what one's X1 and N1? And so I went and looked up what they did. And so
Okay. So they give it to be a percentage. So would we give 74.3% or
I don't think so.
decimal places? Sorry. So 743.
And then P2 is X2 over N2. So it'd be like the
42 over 59.
Yeah.
Yeah.
0.712.
Yeah. So wait. What set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question? So,
Is the proportion of
Is it the equal and not equal? P1 equals P2. And then I don't know, I'm just looking at step 4. And they had I don't know. If you look at step 1 in the chapter, or step 4, the two proportions, like they have the P1 equal to P2 and P1 not equal to P2. It's similar.
I mean, if we look at the question it asks us, it says, is the proportion of females who can taste PTC different from the proportion of males? It doesn't say greater than or less than, so I would assume it's the not equal.
Yeah.
So would it be the first one without the carrots?
So yeah. Okay, create a 95% confidence interval for P1 minus P2 and put in your answers for the point estimate, margin of error, lower bound, and upper bound. Okay.
Okay.
90%. Oh. What's a 95%? 1.96?
Yeah.
It's P1. What would be P1?
What'd you get?
I'm confused. What's P1?
P1 is the proportion of females in the population who can taste. So that's 52.
Oh, so it tells you. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Taking it upstairs? I guess you could have built it upstairs.
So, like, you get the -10, right? Or 10, I mean. And then the point estimate. And then they got the 1.84.
She's tired.
Are we recording?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure.
Yeah, I got it from last time. And last time I recorded the whole thing.
Wow, that's impressive.
Cuts out. Okay, I don't know what to do after that. I feel like I'm just hitting a blank. Probably because there's always an Excel sheet that I miss out on, huh? Nope. Are you guys on an Excel sheet that, oh, where did it go? Categorical data analysis?
Yeah. Do we use the 1 proportion or the 2 proportion?
The 2 proportion.
Okay, that's why I'm getting a funny answer.
I think I got an answer, but I want to see what you guys got.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm getting there. I just I'm in my own world over here.
No worries, it's okay.
X1. So X1 was 52, right? Over 70. 32 to 32. 59. I want to know. Hey, point estimate, right? That's they're equal to and a type of test be equal and not equal to. Okay, I've gotten a few things. Which one's the point estimate again? Is it the p-value? No, p-value, yeah. What's the p-value again? I'm losing it. Well, I have like a 0.693. Riley?
I mean, that says the p-value. I'm trying to figure out the point estimate.
Is that not a point estimate? I'm losing it.
I don't think so, but it could be wrong.
No, let me grab it.
Hey, what did you guys put in? Did you guys change the X1, N1, X2, N2?
No.
Take it.
Like I've like put them in as like 52, 70, 42, 59.
Okay.
like PTC sounds like some kind of drug.
Okay, wait, and then what'd you guys get again?
I'm not sure if it's the point estimate. I'm gonna find it in the chapter. Because for my p-value, I have like 0.693. My z-value, which I know is the what's the margin of error, but I have like a 0.394. Don't know if those are the same answers you guys have.
Okay, that's what I have too. I just wanted to make sure I was plugging everything in correctly. And the point estimate for this 9.5. Okay.
So point estimate. Wait, what is point estimate? The P1 minus P2. Wouldn't it just be 0.743 minus the 0.712, and that's our point estimate?
Yes, I think so.
And it would be like 0.
Yeah, that's it. Because I did it the hard way.
Oh my gosh.
And
Yeah.
I did the P1 minus P2, and it matched my hard way answer.
Oh, good. I'm like, wait a minute. Once I
I mean,
saw
you should have mentioned that 5 minutes ago before I did it the stupid hard way, but that's fine.
At least now we know. Okay, 0.743 minus 0.712. So 0.031.
Yep. I have the next answer already,
Awesome.
because that was part of the hard way of doing it, but it's fine.
the next one
Can't
was,
believe that answer was so obvious, and we just took 5 minutes to figure that
I
out.
always forget it's that easy with those.
margin
Jeez.
of error 42 divided by 59. Alright, you get it. Zero 0.712.
I got 0.154.
Wait, 0.712. What am I thinking? That's the p hat too. Okay, let me try this again. Did you do it the really long way to get the margin of error, or the short way?
I did it both ways. Well, so I did it where I took our point estimate
Mm-hmm.
minus the upper and lower bounds to see if those two matched.
Mm-hmm.
And then so that number would give you it. And then I also did it where I did the upper bound minus the lower bound divided by 2. And then that still matched as well.
The upper bound.
Upper bound minus the lower bound divided by 2.
Oh, yeah. Like what the so 0.154.
That's what I got.
Okay.
Okay, sweet. That's what I got.
The upper and lower bound are right there. Okay, I will be right back. I just have to run to the bathroom really quick.
Lower bound negative 0.123.
Yeah.
Okay, upper bound 0.185. With a 0.05, what decision do you make? Because that is lower, right?
Which one are you talking about, Melissa?
10.
Yeah, so what number are you looking at that's lower?
5. I was looking at the margin of error.
So we look at the p-value for that,
Oh, with p-value, so 0.693.
which is higher than the,
Higher.
which is weird because it usually asks for the p-value before this question and it didn't in this quiz.
Oh, I need to write that down.
So it's high, so we would fail to reject the null.
I fail to reject. Lower, so if it's lower, then we...
If the p is low, we reject the null.
Yeah, you got that down.
I don't know why, but
We fail to reject, oh, is it HA?
HO, because HO is the null. Joey?
I like A on top. Give me off a minute. Oh, conclusion.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Which of the following statements
No.
best describes the outcome of this
Three.
study?
Did you guys fail to reject the HO?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Following statements best describes the outcome of this study.
I decided I'm not confused.
Wouldn't there be sufficient evidence that the females can taste PTCs greater than the true proportion of males?
You never know.
I think it's the last one. There's insufficient evidence to suggest that the true proportion of females is different.
Okay, yeah, I think I'm always lost on these. So why is it insufficient evidence? Because I feel like that's enough evidence.
Yeah, because I always get flipped. I'm always like, yes, there is sufficient evidence when there's not, and like the opposite when there is.
So we failed to reject the null, and the null is that P1 equals P2. And so since we failed to reject it, it essentially means we accepted it. And since our alternative hypothesis was that they aren't equal, then we would say there's insufficient evidence to suggest that the true proportion is different because that was our alternative hypothesis. I mean, if I'm reading.
Okay. I don't think I ever understood that it was like an alternative.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes more sense.
So
I was like, that's why I always get it.
I've always looked at it.
Okay, cool.
I mean, if I'm wrong, then we'll look at it a different way, I guess. But
I doubt it.
No, you're fine. Usually you get those right, so.
Yeah.
watch, it will be this one time I get it wrong.
Okay. So now we're looking at mortality rates and day of admission for heart attacks.
Lots of big numbers.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not all the people. Oh, people are dying. That's great. Oh, a lot more survived. Okay. The conditions for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied.
On a weekday.
What are we need? Hi, Sally. Yes. right? Yes.
Sorry, I was putting all the information in. What are we discussing?
If we have enough information to, if the conditions for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied.
Yeah.
I'm guessing yes.
Okay.
But
Okay, now I'm putting it.
And there's the hex. Which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question?
the last one.
Yeah. Use the data on the table to find P1. This one's the divided by, right? So P1 divided by P2, or P over, I mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
So 1, 6, 7, 3. I like that they say the X and N are higher this time.
Oh, guys, we're not very smart.
Why?
Because we don't need to be hand calculating this. The p hat 1 gives us our answer.
What do you mean?
So if you put it into the Excel sheet,
Yeah?
the p dash hat 1
Mm-hmm.
gives us
Oh,
our answer for p1.
that's it? Oh.
Yep.
Wow. Way to go, Excel. Thanks for doing everything for us.
Awkward.
Right? I mean, to save you all the hand calculating, but
It was really hard.
guys, imagine if we didn't have calculators or Excel. Imagine how this class would be.
Not fun.
Back in the day before computers.
Right?
So I got the 0.141 for both.
Yep.
Wait, 0.141?
Yeah.
I was barely thinking. And then we can find the p hat too, because it's like right next to it.
Yep.
Least score. Oh, that was funny. Can you guys like hear my computer at all? Like turn on this little fan. So loud. We score, negative 2.17. To the left.
Yep.
To the left, to the left. Everything is on back to the left. What is the p-value? Oh, I can do that. Wait, I need to change this. 0.022.
Yes.
Still set it equal. What is the final precision p-value? Well, what's the other one number we're comparing it against? 0.05. It is low, we just know. Oh, 20.
Okay, wait, where are you guys at?
I'm on the last one. Ooh.
Same.
Okay. Did you guys reject it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay, cool. I always have to double check because I never know. Okay.
There's sufficient evidence for this one.
Insufficient.
Insufficient.
Mm-hmm.
We reject.
Um,
Can't follow this. I thought it would be their like the second to last one. Now I feel like I'm going crazy.
so it's less than.
Yeah, because I think I might be a little mixed up
Okay.
still. It's not a surprise.
Did you guys get an answer for 20?
Yeah, I thought it was the second to last one.
I put the first one.
I put the second one.
Okay, well, I'm the one who's off the most. I thought it was sufficient because we rejected and not failed to reject. But I might just.
So,
I don't know.
it's just the way the question's worded, from what I understand. So our conclusion is always based off of our null hypothesis.
Mm-hmm.
And so our null hypothesis is that they're equal. So I put the first one because there's insufficient evidence since we rejected it, that they're the same as, which would be equal.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's try it.
You want me to try mine?
Sure.
Sure.
I'll submit mine. Make sure they're all saved first. That would probably way to get a bad score. Okay, submitting. The quiz. Okay, scrolling. Oh, I got 20 wrong.
Is that the only one?
Yep.
That's cool. I'll try the second one and submit and see if that one's right. If not, maybe Melissa's right.
Okay.
So I'm gonna submit. Oh, I got it wrong too.
Okay. I'll put mine through.
Did you put the second to last, Melissa?
Yeah. Ta-da!
That's right.
Okay, explain your thinking, please.
Well, I don't think my thinking is right. I thought it just because we rejected the null instead of failed to reject that it would be sufficient evidence and it makes a lot.
Oh, wait. I think you're onto something. Oh, there's a bug right here.
I don't know. I just noticed that pattern and I just was like, well, it makes a lot more sense that people who are admitted to the hospital on a weekday who die is less than those who are admitted on a weekend. I don't know. I always get them wrong, so it's rare. I just feel like there might be a pattern in the past.
I think it's because we rejected the null, which would mean the alternative was correct.
Yeah. Because failed to reject was like it's correct. Right? Like it's two negatives, which make a positive.
I don't like the wording on it. I have to think it through real good.
I hate it. I'm going to write a letter to whoever formatted that word. No.
Some dead guy somewhere.
Yeah. And I'll go put it by his tombstone. Here you go, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Melissa, do you want to talk me through the answers?
Yep, I can.
Okay, cool. I'm ready when you are.
Okay. 0.743 4 0.712. 5 is A. 6, 0.031, 7, 0.154, 8, negative 0.123, 9, 0.185, 10A, 11D,
11B or D?
D as in dog, or Doritos.
B as in boy.
No boy, dog.
Dog.
Dora, ding dongs. Okay. 12, true. 13, E, dog. 14, 0.141. 15, 0.145. 16, negative 2.020. 17 to the left. 18, 0.022. 19, reject the null. 20, C.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. I can also not say like M and N apart very well. I realized that with like our Apple TV, I'll talk to it and spell things for it instead of typing it out. And it always confuses M and N, and I cannot pronounce them where I can say it. It's
You
really
need to
funny.
go back to lit one, Melissa.
I know. You need to go back. I'm like, M. They sound the exact same to me. I don't know. N-A.
Okay, cool. Well, I'll keep an eye on my email for the approval stuff from the guy, and then I'll let you know as soon as I hear anything, and then we can plan on meeting on Thursday.
Sounds good.
Okay, cool. See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. That didn't take very long. It's awesome.
Oh, I know. It's like a record time.
You too.
It's like less than an hour.
Hoot, hoot.
Impressive.
Okay, well then I'm gonna go and I guess do the dishes.
Okay, have fun.
No. But okay. Oh, and thanks for replying about my green sky. It got crazy.
Did it?
Yeah, like the